Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. The 10 signs that you're closer to financial freedom than you think. We're gonna unpack the specific milestones that indicate you're on the right path. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. And it's about having choices and options in life. So if you're ready to see if you're closer to financial freedom than you realize, let's get started. Look, I get it. Budgeting might not sound like the most thrilling thing in the world, but trust me, it's the foundation of a solid financial life. It's like having a roadmap for your money, so you know exactly where it's going instead of wondering where it all went at the end of the month. When you budget, you're tracking your income and expenses, which allows you to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Having a budget doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It just means you're making conscious choices about your spending. Life throws curveballs, am I right? Your car decides to take an unexpected vacation to the mechanic, or maybe your fridge goes on strike. That's where an emergency fund swoops in to save the day. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses stashed away in a readily accessible account can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major financial setback. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you can handle those unexpected expenses without going into debt. Debt is like that annoying friend who just won't take a hint. It can weigh you down and hold you back from achieving your financial goals. If you're debt-free, give yourself a pat on the back. And if you're still working towards it, having a solid plan to pay off your debt is crucial. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method to tackle those balances strategically and become debt-free faster. Chapter 4. Investing. Putting your money to work. Investing is like planting seeds for your future. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or other investment vehicles, the key is to invest consistently. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Don't get caught up in trying to predict the perfect time to invest. Start small if you have to, but start somewhere. Chapter 5. Multiple income streams. Diversifying your income. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if something happens to that one source? Having multiple income streams diversifies your income and provides a safety net. This could be anything from a side hustle, freelance work, real estate investments, or even creating and selling your own products or services. Chapter 6. Living below your means. The secret sauce. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices. It's about living within your means and investing the difference to grow your wealth. Think of it this way. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest and put to work for you. Chapter 7. Financial goals. Your roadmap to success. Having financial goals is like having a destination in mind. Without a destination, you're just driving around aimlessly. Set clear, specific, and measurable goals for yourself, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. Once you have your goals, create a plan to achieve them. Break down those big, hairy, audacious goals into smaller, manageable steps that you can track and celebrate along the way. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions about your money. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and seek out repeatable sources of information. Knowledge is power, and in the world of personal finance, knowledge can lead to financial freedom. Financial independence means having the financial resources to support yourself and your loved ones without relying on others. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and goals. This doesn't necessarily mean being wealthy. It means being in control of your finances and not being beholden to others. Retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but the earlier you start planning, the better prepared you'll be. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, and consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized retirement plan. The key is to start early and contribute consistently. Your future self will thank you. And there you have it, folks. If you can relate to these signs, you're well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices today to create a better tomorrow. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video.